Hey guys, it's Pauline. Oh, sorry about my voice. Um, Yesterday I had a little small procedure done, and when you have anesthesia, sometimes your throat is a little scratchy afterwards. But I'm doing good, and I got some mail. I want to say I got this yesterday, or I might even got it Saturday. But I wanted to go over it and show y'all what we got. So I just um opened it just enough to take the name tag off. I didn't peek in here, so we'll be looking at it together. So let's see. I thought maybe this would be out of camera range, but I'm seeing it's not. So just excuse that. I tried to just move it over to the side. I didn't feel like taking it, moving it, because I'm still working on it. I'm not doing October daily per se, but I got one travel book that I'm doing kind of October daily. Anyway, so I'm still trying to finish that up. So I'm not doing November Thankful 30 or anything like that. It's just regular. And then I'm gonna try to gear up for December daily, and hopefully this year I can finish it. I can actually do it, since I'm gonna be off for 2 weeks convalescing from this. So keeping my fingers crossed. I got to finish this and then start that. Okay. And then in the meantime, cook a big Thanksgiving dinner, right? Okay, so I picked this up even though I just bought some acrylic blocks. I was hoping it has the little divot in it, but it didn't. But I used this. It was something. I picked this up because there was some reason why, like, if I didn't, I'd be paying more in shipping or something. So anyway, I picked this up in order to get. I feel like this was free, because I needed this much to make the shipping worth it or something. But so I picked this up. And then, but it doesn't have like the little ridge on the side like I was hoping it would. I love these kinds. This come from, oh, I forget. There was a company that I got this from. I forgot. But anyway, I love those. Stampin' Up has them, but then there was this other company that was cheaper. Let me see. And you get more in them. Oh, okay. Gina K Designs. And there was a bunch of these in here. And it was cheaper than getting it from Stampin' Up. And they had grids on them. Like the one that I have from Stampin' Up that I have had forever. Oh, that's not it. Anyway, it doesn't have a grid on it. I love it, but it doesn't. Oh, here it is. It doesn't have a grid on it. And I just rambled about that. Sorry. Let's move on. So I got this stuff from Everyday Explorers, which is Christine Herrin. I love her stuff. It's between her and Kelly Perky. I don't know which one is better. I just love their stuff. So I think she actually had a sale, which is rare. I want to say it was 20% off. So I picked this up, and that's what that was. When you put in the 20% off promo, it actually kicks off your free shipping. So this was already in my basket, and I was like, so I don't think I actually got this for free, because when you use the free shipping, they put that on automatically, but when you put in the promo, it kicks out the free shipping. So anyway, and I knew that I had I didn't feel like going back and going through the whole process again, because I use PayPal. So that's how I ended up. I was like, well, it's $6, I just keep it. So anyway, let's see. So I picked this up. Her stamps are usually like 17. No, hers are usually like $20. And so you got 20% off. And so I picked up ones that I wanted. And like I said, it's rare for her to put a sale. So I went ahead and got that. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. I was so happy to see this. I want to say this is one of her new ones. but still the happiest place on earth. I love this. I love this. Had to have this one. And then I thought that this one was really cute. I had passed this up a couple of times, but since it was 20% off, I'm like, well, that's probably the best I'm going to get. So go ahead and get it. So I did that. And then these, I had always been curious about these. And so they had a 3-pack for like $19.99. So I went ahead and got this. I think that was a sale. I think it was marked down, I think. But don't quote me on that. But I remember it was $19.99 for 3 of them. So I've seen people use this, and I thought that I like that it has already a journaling spot. So I said that I was going to try it. And I don't know why you need 3 different ones. I don't know if they have different journaling prompts. Let's look. All right. Oh, yeah, they are different. Okay. So this one has that kind of journaling prompt. And then this one. This one says it's the mood one, but that one was like, I feel blank. So let's see, what is this one? This one, oh, okay. So you can put your picture here. That's neat. Because on the website, I really couldn't see because I was using my phone. Okay. So that's what I got from Christine Herrin and, well, Everyday Explorers. So let's see. So, I don't remember what made me go to Elle's studio because I used to have like a membership with her, but I cut it out. Not that I didn't like it, but I had to, you know, every so often you have to purge. And so she was one of the ones that got purged. But I want to say I saw somebody using one of her kits, and I'm like, oh, that is so cute. I got to get that. I think that's what happened. What had happened. All right, so let's look at this. So a lot of her stuff are really, really, you know, in a good price. And like these wood veneers, I don't think that cost me but maybe $2 or $3. Let's see. And then there's advertisement. I don't think there's a code on there. And then you get a monthly kit. And let's see if I can look at it right quick, because this is all we're going to do today. So I think we can spend a little time looking at this right quick. Let's see. Yeah, I think it was this kit that I liked that made me order. And once you start ordering for her, because her stamp sets are really, really cute too. It's like you have to go ahead and get out of there, or you're gonna end up with a basket full of stuff. Super cute. And this is good quality cardstock. Her colors are a little muted, but I like it. Love this. All right, so that is that little kit. And then I think I got like 2 or 3 of her stamps. Super cute. Really like it. This is the thankful one. And then this is just a weekend stamp. I think this is a little bit older. I don't even go on her website because I know I'll end up putting things in my basket. So I haven't seen this. And so when I saw it, I picked it up. And then I thought that this one is really useful. You have labels that's lined. And you can make them any color you want because it's just stamped. And then you also have some prompts. I really like this. And then these acetate heart stickers. I want to say these weren't expensive. I want to say these were like $4, which to me, and then you get the stars on the back. This would probably be $10 at Allie Edwards. And then I guess these are These are some labels I picked up. And then that's it. And then this is talking about some kind of weekend sale. Ooh, grab bags, mystery kits. See, I hate looking at advertisement because it's going to make me go there. So, ends on 11/29. All right, so I will talk to you guys. Oh, the sale starts on the 26th. So there you go. More money. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Oh, I just ordered yesterday some mystery kits from Kelly Perky. I'm excited to see what's in them. But there's a danger with her stamp sets for me because I have so many of them. I'm probably going to get some duplicates, but whatever. We're going to see. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.